Salt. I like quite a nice amount of salt in mine so I can have that good flavor. Then I use some garlic salt. I like lots of seasoning, so I coat my whole top of my pot with the garlic salt. Smells really good. And Old Bay. Remember now, making crab, you just got to have your Old Bay. It's just righteous to have your Old Bay. You see that? Look at that. That's Old Bay, baby. All right. And grounded black pepper. It's black and it's pepper. It's awesome. All right, there we go. And just for all who don't know, I'm Jamaican, so you'll hear my accent go in and out, you know. Cause sometimes we talk like this, and then sometimes I'll be like, yeah, twanging and all that good stuff again, you know, like what's up, y'all? Cause I live here in the South, you know what I'm saying. And you might hear my Southern Jamaican baby. We got a mixed baby up in here, Southern Jamaican. Alright, so that's that part. Just gonna let it start bubbling itself over, and then I'll get back with you.